Imagine waking up to sales notifications, all from digital products you created once. This is the power of an AI-powered Notion template business. Today, you'll learn how to build your own Notion template business, even if you're starting from zero. By the end of this video, you'll have a 3-step roadmap, the exact AI prompts to use, and the tools that make this side hustle unfairly simple. Let's explore why Notion templates are the perfect digital product for an AI side hustle. People aren't buying a template. They're buying clarity, organization, and a feeling of relief. AI helps you create these better and faster. This is one of the cleanest side hustles you can launch. You won't need design skills, a following, or money. Just Notion and a good workflow. Let's start with step 1, using AI to find the right template idea. Use ChatGPT as your research assistant. Ask it to give me 10 Notion template ideas people would pay for, centered around productivity, money, business, content creation, and student life. The trick is to pick something that solves a daily problem, not just a monthly one. Daily demand equals sales. Choose an idea you'd personally use to make the build effortless. Now for step 2, having AI build the structure for you. Ask ChatGPT to create the full structure for a Notion template called Your Idea. Includes sections, subsections, properties, tags, formulas, and usage instructions. You'll get the entire skeleton in seconds. This is the magic. Ask AI to generate placeholder content and example data. This makes your template feel complete, not empty, and that's what people pay for. Finally, step 3, package it and automate your store. Once your template is ready, upload it to Gumroad or Etsy. Create a preview video using AI tools or a simple Canva mockup. Have ChatGPT write your product description with the prompt. Give me a high-converting product description for a Notion template that solves problems. Keep it simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. Price your template between $9 and $25. Focus on creating bundles, 2 or 3 templates packaged together, to jump from $20 orders to $40 orders overnight. Most people think income is made through massive launches, but with digital products, it's built through systems and leverage. You put out one template, then another, then another. They stack and multiply, creating a micro-library of digital assets that pay you every single day. The entire workflow, from idea research and structure to design and description, can be done with AI in under 2 hours. That's true leverage and simple automation. If you want help building your first template, download the AI Money Starter Kit linked below. Hit subscribe for more AI income systems every single day.